Operation instruction video for MIN 5300 series. Conductivity resistance, TDS measurement and control instrument. Press the menu button on the main interface to access the menu list. Use the up-down buttons to select electrode type setting. Press confirm to enter the corresponding interface. On the electrode type setting interface, use the up-down buttons to select the desired electrode type. Press confirm to finalize the selection. The selected electrode type is automatically saved and the system returns to the main menu. In the menu interface, use the up-down buttons to select constant setting. After selecting, press confirm to enter the corresponding interface. Use the three buttons, right, shift, decrease, and increase to set the constant value. After completing the settings, press confirm to save the value. The system will automatically exit to the menu list. Use the up-down buttons to select high and low alarm threshold setting. Press confirm to enter the corresponding interface. In this interface, use the right shift, decrease, and increase buttons to set the alarm value and hysteresis value. After completing the settings, press confirm to save the values. The system will automatically exit to the menu list. Use the up-down buttons to select for two 20 mA parameter setting. Press confirm to enter the corresponding interface. In this interface, use the right shift, decrease, and increase buttons to set the 4 to 20 mA values. After completing the settings, press OK to save the values. The system will automatically exit to the menu list. Use the up-down buttons to select switch units. After making your selection, press OK to enter the corresponding interface. In the switch units interface, use the up/down buttons to select the desired unit type. Press OK. To confirm the selection, the unit will be switched, and the system will automatically exit to the menu list. Use the up-down buttons to select communication settings. After making your selection, press OK to enter the corresponding interface. In the communication settings interface, use the increase and decrease buttons to set the slave address. Press OK to save the settings. Key system will automatically exit to the menu list. Returning will restore the state upon entry. Use the up-down buttons to select backlight adjustment. Press OK to enter the corresponding interface. In the backlight adjustment interface, adjust the brightness using the increase and decrease buttons. Press OK to save the settings. The system will automatically exit to the menu list. Returning will restore the state upon entry. Use down buttons to select language setting. Press OK to enter the corresponding interface. On the language setting interface, use the up-down buttons to select the desired language. Press OK to confirm. The selected language will be applied and the system will automatically exit to the menu list. MIN 1. Supports 4 to 20 mA signal output. 2. Equipped with upper and lower limit alarm switch control function. 3. Features are S485 communication for remote transmission. 4. Includes a 2.8-inch color display screen. 5. User-friendly menu interface. 6. Comes standard with a 10-meter extension cord to meet diverse user requirements. 7. Priced at only 1/3 of competitors' equivalent models. 8. Electrodes are manufactured using automated testing devices and fully automatic potting equipment to ensure consistency and stability.